Hi everyone, this is Shriyati. Welcome back to another quick Backinzo guide. Today I'll show you how to change your password inside Backinzo app in just few simple easy steps. So let's get started. Open the Backinzo app and log in with your current credentials. Now click on the setting option from this menu. Okay. Now click on the change password button. This change password window will come in front of you. First you have to enter your old password here. Okay. So I have just entered my old password. Now enter your new password. So here I'll enter my new password. Now confirm new password by again re-entering the new one. Okay. So as you can see, finally you can click on the save and update button. That's it. Your password is now updated. Make sure your new password is strong, easy to remember. Avoid using common names or numbers for better security. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Backinzo tutorials. This is Niyati signing off. Stay safe, trade smart. Happy backtesting with Backinzo. Bye-bye.